Tired of expensive spa treatments? Discover the secret to relaxation and pain relief right in your kitchen. Today, we're making lemongrass massage oil that will transform your home into a luxury retreat. Introduction. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. Today we're diving into the world of aromatherapy with a powerful yet simple recipe for lemongrass massage oil. This oil isn't just great for massages, it's a versatile remedy that can help with muscle pain, headaches, and even stress relief. Let's get started. 1. Benefits of lemongrass oil. Natural pain reliever. Anti-inflammatory properties. Stress and anxiety reduction. Improved circulation. Antimicrobial effects. 2. Ingredients. 1 cup carrier oil, coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. 15-20 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 5 drops of lavender essential oil, optional, for added relaxation. Glass bottle for storage. 3. Step-by-step instructions. 3. A. Choose your carrier oil. 3. B. Add lemongrass essential oil. 3. C. Add lavender essential oil, if using. 3. D. Mix thoroughly. 3. E. Transfer to a glass bottle. 3. F. Label and date the bottle. 4. How to use. For massage, apply directly to skin and gently massage. For aromatherapy, add a few drops to a diffuser. For headaches, rub a small amount on temples and neck. For muscle pain, apply to affected areas and massage. 5. Precautions. Always do a patch test before full application. Avoid using on sensitive areas or broken skin. Keep away from eyes and mouth. Not recommended for pregnant women or young children without consulting a doctor. 6. Additional tips. Store in a cool, dark place to preserve potency. Shake well before each use. Can be used as a moisturizer for dry skin. Add to bath water for a relaxing soak. There you have it, your very own lemongrass massage oil. This simple remedy can transform your self-care routine and provide natural relief for various ailments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more DIY natural solutions. Have you tried making your own massage oils before? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay natural and stay healthy.